Hello students, in this video we are going to learn about separation of solid-solid mixtures. See, in this first is gravitational method of separating solids. See, which type of solids we can separate with the help of gravitational method if two solids having different densities, means their weight is different there, that we can say one is heavier and one is
lighter than water.
That type of mixtures, that type of solid mixtures we can separate with the help of gravitational method of separation. For example, we can take here some of the sawdust, or we can say wood dust, which I am representing here with the green color. This one is our sawdust here. Some sawdust is, and another one, some sand particles are mixed with this one. Like sand particle, I am denoting here with this black color. These are some sand particles. Now what will happen, you have to separate them, that these sand particle you have to separate from these sawdust. So how you will separate? You can take here water in a container, like here I have taken that here is water. Now when you will put this mixture in water, what will happen? Due to of the higher density of these sand particles, like here it is, due to of the higher density, or we can say heavier, these sand particles are settled in bottom of the container, where on the other hand this sawdust is much lighter than water. That's why it will float on the surface with the green color. You can see here, these are sawdust which are floating on the surface of water. Now what we can do, this sawdust we can decant in another container, like one container is here. Now we can decant this water here, and sawdust will be in this in this way. Sawdust will be present in this container. Now what we can take, we can take a filter paper here like this, and we will fold it like a conical shape. We will fold it like this. Now what we will do, we will put this filter paper here and we can decant this one here. Now what will be happen, in filter paper you will see there will be only and only sawdust will be there in filter paper only, and other water will go here. Now what is remaining in container, that will be only sand particle. In this way we can separate with the help of gravitational method solid mixtures. But the main thing is that there should be the difference in weight or different in density, we can say, means one component of the mixture should be heavier than water and another component should be
lighter than water.
Then only we can use gravitational method of separation. Thank you. Now in separation of solid mixtures, we will learn about that how to separate sand, sawdust and salt from each other. All you know that sand is a solid, sawdust is again solid, and salt is solid, means three solids are here. So I can represent it sand with these particles like this. These are our sand particles, like these I can represent here. These are our sand particles. And sawdust I can represent it with green color. These are sawdust or wood dust, same thing it is, like this. And one more thing is there, that is salt I am representing here with some boxes like this one. So this is the mixture of salt, sand particles and sawdust. We have to separate it. So how we will do, you know that sand is insoluble in water, sawdust is again insoluble in water, where salt forms a homogeneous mixture with water, it is soluble with water. So what we will do, we will take this mixture and we will take this mixture in a beaker and we will add some water in it. So what will happen, as after adding water in this mixture, see, salt is soluble in water, so salt will form a salt solution here, like this one. This is salt dissolved in water, so salt will form salt solution here. With blue color you can see, where sawdust, as you know, that it is lighter than water, so it will float on the surface of water. Sand settle down in that beaker. So what we will do, we will take this solution and we will pour it in that funnel using filter paper. We will take this filter paper and we will pour it in like this, and after that this shape we will take with this filter paper, and we will keep this filter paper in this funnel. So what will happen, as you know that sand is settled down, so whatever the remaining solution is, that we will pour in this filter paper here. You will observe here that that solution of salt solution, that is solution of salt and water, will be passes through this filter, where on the other hand this sawdust will remain in the filter paper here, that green color you can see. This will remain like this. When you will open this filter paper, it will remain like this in filter paper. Now you can separate it. Sawdust is separated, and this sand particles are here in the bottom of container. These also separated, means two things are separated, that is sawdust and sand. Now what is the remaining thing? That is salt from salt solution. So how you can get salt from salt solution? Now you can heat with the help of burner. You can heat this salt solution here with the tripod stand. We will take like this, and we will put a like this dish we will put, and here we will put that sand solution. Now when we will heat, what will happen, that water will get evaporated, and what will remain in that disc, that will remain only and only salt. So it will be salt. In this way we can separate these three, sand, sawdust and salt, from the mixture of it. Thank you. Now we will learn that how to separate the mixture of iron fillings, sulfur and common salt. Now all you know that iron fillings are solid, sulfur is again solid, and common salt is again solid. Means three solids are here and we have to separate them. See, first what we will do, we know that iron is, so iron is attracted toward the magnet. So first we will mix them together. Here is a mixture. These are the iron fillings with that boxes of blue color. These are iron fillings, where sulfur I am representing here with this green color. This is sulfur, and salt we can represent with this dot like this. These are salt in this mixture. Now what we will do, first we will put a magnet nearer to this mixture. So what will happen, all the iron fillings, they will get attracted toward this magnet like this one. These will get attracted towards that magnet, and iron fillings will get separated. Now what are the things remaining in this mixture? That is sulfur and common salt in this mixture. Now iron fillings get separated like the here it is iron fillings, we separated them. Remaining things are sulfur and common salt. Now what we will do, we will take this sulfur and common salt here and we will put it in water. So what will happen, we know that common salt form a homogeneous mixture with water, means it will be completely dissolved. So you can see here it is a salt solution. That salt is completely dissolved in this, where sulfur will not dissolve in water and it will float in surface like this, or it will remain in this only, but it will be not dissolved. So what we can do, we can take a filter paper. After folding it like this in a funnel, conical funnel we will take like this, and we will put filter paper in this, and one beaker we can take like this one. So what we will do, we will put filter paper here, and then we will pour this solution here. So what will happen, that sulfur in the filter paper, it will remain here only, where other salt solution sulfur will remain here only in this filter paper like this, and whatever the remaining thing, that is salt solution, that will passes through the filter paper and it will be here like this in this beaker. This is our salt solution. Now what you can do with the help of this filter paper, it is get separated like this. This is our sulfur. Now what is the remaining thing, that is salt solution. You know that how to separate salt from salt solution, with the help of evaporation. Means you will evaporate this one, this disc, one disc you can take, and in this you will put the salt solution, and here with the help of some burner you can heat it, and after heating what will happen, that water will get evaporated and whatever will be remaining in this disc, that will be your salt. In this manner you can separate these three things. Thank you.